Welcome! Today, we're making cute and colorful caterpillars with young children. It's a simple craft that encourages creativity and fine motor skills. Plus, it's a whole lot of fun. Here's what you'll need: popsicle sticks, colorful pom-poms, googly eyes, non-toxic glue, a small bowl, and a paintbrush for little hands. Start by pouring a bit of glue into a small bowl. This makes it easier and less messy for little ones to use. Next, use a paintbrush to spread glue along one side of the popsicle stick. Now stick your pom-poms on. There's no right or wrong way. Kids can make rainbow caterpillars, color patterns, or silly mixes. It's all about creativity. Time to give your caterpillar a face. Add 2 little dabs of glue to the front pom-pom and gently press on the googly eyes. Let your caterpillar dry for about an hour. Once it's set, it's ready to play. That's it. A simple craft full of learning, laughter, and little caterpillar friends to take home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your caterpillar creations with us. Happy crafting!